So students, applications of trigonometry 12th chapter, and in the 12th chapter we are in the second exercise, that is exercise 12.2 exercise, first and second problems completed. Now third problem. So all of you read the question in the rough. You can draw a rough figure also. You keep one rough notebook. So try to draw the rough figure so that you should get practice of it. Whenever data is given, you have to convert the data into a right angle triangle. So that practice you should get. So try to draw the figure, not in the fair notes, you try in the rough notes. See here. Third problem I am reading, all of you please listen. A statue stands on the top of 2 meters tall pedestal. See here. See, all of you see here. This is the ground. This is the ground. On this ground, there is a pedestal. To fix the statue, sometimes we construct some pedestal. On that pedestal, we fix the statue. So on the floor, on the ground, first we fix some pedestal. On it, we fix the statue. See here. AB is the pedestal. On this pedestal, a statue is fixed. This is the statue BC. Pedestal. Statue. AB is the pedestal. On that pedestal there is a statue. Statue. AB is the pedestal and on the top of it we are fixing the statue. So see here, a statue, this is a statue. Statue stands on the top of 2 meters tall pedestal. This is 2 meters tall pedestal. What is the height of the pedestal? 2 meters. On this pedestal, statue is standing. Statue is standing. Let the height of the statue be h. Height of the statue be h. Anyway, we have to find the height of the statue only. See the question. So, 2 meter. A statue is standing on the top of 2 meters pedestal. 2 meters pedestal. On it, a statue is standing. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degrees. From a point on the ground. See here. This is the point on the ground. So at some distance from the point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degrees. So from here, what we are seeing? We are seeing this top of the statue. So this point we observe. What is the angle? 60 degrees. Don't draw, don't write. AB is the pedestal. On the top of the pedestal, a statue is there. Statue is fixed. Directly, statue will not be fixed on the ground. First, we construct some pedestal. On it, a statue is fixed. So, the pedestal height is 2 meters. Statue height, it is not given. We have to find h. So, from a point on the ground, we observe the top of the statue with angle of elevation 60 degrees. Next, and the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degrees. From this point, we observe the top of the statue, top of the pedestal. AB is the pedestal, no? So this point also we observe. This is 45 degrees. See here. From the same point, first we observe the top of the statue with angle of elevation 60 degrees. Then we also observe the top of the pedestal. This is the foot of the pedestal, this is the top of the pedestal. So we observe the top of the pedestal with angle 45 degrees. This is the data. Question is, what is the question? Read it. Then find the height of the statue. What is the height of the statue? What is the height of the statue? That we have to find. So let us introduce all this. Let us introduce before starting the problem. We are introducing. What is the pedestal here in our figure? AB is the pedestal. What is the statue? BC is the statue. P is the observing point. Right now. Let AB lie down. Let AB be the pedestal. Where we are taking the pedestal? This AB is the pedestal. Let AB be the pedestal. Let AB, capital AB, be the pedestal. BC be the statue. BC be the statue. AB is the pedestal. AB is the, let AB be the pedestal. AB be the pedestal. BC be the statue. BC be the statue. AB be the pedestal, BC be the statue. Let P be the observing point. P be the observing point. Capital P. P be the observing point. P be the observing point. So in the question, three things are there. One is a pedestal is standing. First, what is the figure? The pedestal. First pedestal is constructed on the ground. This is the pedestal. On the top, statue. Pedestal. On the top of it, there is a statue. This is observing point. From here, we observe the top of the statue with 60 degrees. Top of the pedestal with 45 degrees. So write down. Let AB be the pedestal, BC be the statue, let P be the observing point, P be the observing point. Now, given pedestal is 2 meters, this is 2. Pedestal height is 2 meters given in the problem. Let statue height is equal to h. Let us take the height of the statue is equal to h. Let BC is equal to h, height of the statue. This is also not there, but we have to take some number, something. Let AP is equal to x. This I am taking as x. Now, introduction of the diagram is over. What is the introduction? AB is the pedestal whose height is 2. BC is the statue whose height we are assuming as h. P, we are observing, P is the observing point. Let AP is equal to x. So this angle is given as 60 degrees. This small angle is given as 45 degrees. It is given in the question. Now, see, I am taking the smaller triangle first. Smaller triangle. See the smaller triangle. What is the smaller triangle? ABP. Smaller triangle ABP. See the triangle. From adjacent figure, don't write. In triangle, see the triangle, smaller triangle. Students, don't write, all of you look here. ABP. Smaller triangle. Smaller right angle triangle ABP. We have two right angle triangles. Be careful. This A is 90 degrees. So whatever the triangle you take along with A, that is 90 degrees triangle. See here. ABP is one triangle. ACP, total ACP, bigger right angle triangle, two triangles. This is not right angle. You can't take only this part. This is not right angle. So this is here. From here to here to here, this is one right angle triangle. And total here to here to here, total is another right angle triangle. So now I am taking the smaller right angle triangle. What is the name of that right angle triangle? ABP. ABP. In this right angle triangle, so the angle is 45 degrees. What is the, which sides we are dealing? This is given, this we have to find. This side is not at all required. We don't want PB length. We don't want PB length. We require the relation between these two only. So therefore, what is the name of this side? What is the name of this side? Opposite side. What is the name of this side? Adjacent side. Opposite by adjacent is what ratio? Opposite by adjacent is tan. Angle is 45 degrees. For smaller triangle 45. Bigger triangle, complete triangle, it is 60. So now I am taking the smaller triangle. See here, don't write. Tan 45 is equal to, what is the formula? Opposite by adjacent. Tan 45, see the value of tan 45, 1. See the value of tan 45, which is 1. Opposite is 2. Tan 45 is equal to opposite to adjacent x. 2 by x. See here. Tan 45 is equal to opposite by adjacent. Tan theta formula is opposite by adjacent. Theta is 45. Opposite is 2. Adjacent is x. Tan 45 value is 1. Cross multiply. X into 1 is equal to x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 we got. But we don't want x value actually. Our question is find the height of the statue. Height of the statue. H value we have to find. What is the height of the statue? H value we have to find. Now, what is the other right angle triangle? In triangle, what is the other right angle triangle? ACP, bigger right angle triangle. See here, ACP. Here also, we don't want this side. This is not at all required. The problem dealing with this and this. See, I wrote the dimensions. 2 is here, h is here, x is here. That means for 60 degrees angle, what is the name of this side? Opposite side. What is the name of this side? Adjacent side. Opposite by adjacent, what is the ratio? Tan. So always we are taking tan. In some rare cases we may be taking sine or cos. But most of the problems if we are dealing with the tan only, because this distance will be asked or height will be asked. This distance will not be asked. So this distance or height. That means opposite and adjacent only. We will be dealing with opposite and adjacent. So now in triangle ACP, tan theta is 60 degrees. What is the tan formula? Opposite by adjacent. Don't write. Tan 60 is equal to opposite by adjacent. Now I am continuing here. Tan 60 value root 3. Tan 60 value root 3. See the table. Opposite. What is the opposite? What is the opposite? What is the opposite? This total is opposite. I will write that also. AC is opposite. Total AC is opposite. Opposite from here to here because we are taking bigger triangle ACP. Tan 60 is root 3. Opposite is AC. Adjacent is AP. Same tan formula. Opposite is AC, adjacent is AP. I wrote one extra step. Actually, directly I can substitute here like this. But here I wrote one extra step. Root 3 is equal to, what is AC? What is the opposite AC? 2 plus H. AC is equal to, this is 2, this is H. Total is 2 plus H. 2 plus H. Total opposite. Bigger triangle we are taking. For the bigger triangle, this total is opposite 2 plus H. Adjacent is same for both the triangles. For smaller triangle and for the complete triangle, adjacent is X only. AP is adjacent, which is X only. Now cross multiply. Root 3 into X is equal to 2 plus H. Root 3 into X is equal to 2 plus H. We have to find H value. So I am removing X because we want only H. H we have to find. X is not required. See the question. What is the question? Find the height of the statue. What is the height of the statue? H is asked. So in place of X, I am writing 2. X is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. From equation 1, what is X value? 2. X value 2 we got. Root 3 into X value 2 we got already. X is known. From the first equation we got X value 2. I am writing 2 is equal to 2 plus H to this side. 2 root 3 minus 2 is equal to H. So H is equal to 2 common root 3 minus 1. This is the height of the statue. That's all. H is equal to how much? 2 root 3 minus 2. Or we can take 2 common. 2 common means root 3. 2 common means 1. Root 3 minus 1 or same 2 root 3 minus 2. So taking right 2 on the left side, it becomes minus 2. So H is equal to 2 root 3 minus 2 or 2 common root 3 minus 1. Simple. That's all. So once again, AB is the pedestal. BC is the statue. From here we are observing the top of the statue with angle 60 degrees. Top of the pedestal with angle 45 degrees. This is the foot of the pedestal. Top of the pedestal. Top of the statue. Foot of the statue. Like that. So pedestal height is 2 meters. AB is equal to 2. Statue height is H. We have to find. This is actually not required, but we have to take it something, and after that we use this in finding H value. Let AP is equal to X. So simple, I am taking the smaller triangle. Tan 45 is equal to opposite by adjacent. Tan 45 is equal to 2 by X. 2 by X. Tan 45 is 1. X into 1, X is equal to 2. We got X value, but we have to find H. So bigger triangle I am taking, ACP triangle. In triangle ACP, tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. What is theta? 60 degrees. Tan 60 is equal to opposite is AC, adjacent is AP. AC means 2 plus H. Adjacent is X. Root 3 into X is equal to 2 plus H. X value is 2. 2 this side minus 2. 2 common, root 3 minus 1. H is equal to 2 into root 3 minus 1 over. Write down. Write it fast. Students, followed or not, you just tell me. Understood or not? If you have understood, then complete, copy it, then go to the next problem, read it. Students, read the fourth question. All of you read the fourth question. Over. See, I am reading the fourth question. From the top of a building, the angle of elevation of the top of the cell tower is 60 degrees. So there is a building and there is a cell tower. Two objects are there on opposite sides. See here. Don't write. First, how I am drawing the diagram, you just watch. This is the ground. For any reference, we take the ground, because everything will be on the ground only. If suppose if the tower is there, it will be on the ground. Building is there, it will be on the ground. Tree is there, it will be on the ground. First we draw the ground. This is the ground. There is a cell tower. Cell tower. Let AB be the cell tower. Cell tower. This is the cell tower. Now, there is a building. There is a building. Say this is the building. Say for example CD is the building. There is a cell tower, there is a building. Next, see here. See the question. From the top of the building, CD is the building, no? This is the foot of the building, this is the top of the building, this is the building. Building. So don't write that building and all, only lines are sufficient. Just for explanation I am writing the building, and this is the cell tower. Cell tower. Don't write it. So this is the building, this is the foot of the building, this is the top of the building. So we went to the top of the building. From the top of the building, see the sentence. From the top of a building, angle of elevation of the top of the cell tower is 60 degrees. From here, we observe the top of the cell tower. From here, we have seen the top of the cell tower. The angle of elevation is 60 degrees. Angle of elevation or angle of depression, first we have to draw the horizontal line at that point. So which is 60 degrees? This total can't be 60 degrees. So angle of elevation means first draw this horizontal line. This is 60 degrees. We have to draw a reference line, horizontal line. Then that angle is called angle of elevation. For angle of depression or angle of elevation, we have to draw a reference line. So from the top of the building, we climb to the top of the building. From this point, we observe the top of the cell tower with angle 60 degrees. Next. And the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degrees. So from the same point, we observe the top of the cell tower. This is the foot of the cell tower. Cell tower is starting from here. Here to here it is a cell tower. So from the same point, we observe the foot also. We observe the foot of the cell tower with angle of depression. Angle of depression of its foot is 45 degrees. Like this. If the distance of the building from the tower is 7 meters, building and tower, this is the tower, cell tower, this is the building. This distance is given as 7 meters. Distance from the cell tower to the building is 7 meters. Question is, find the height of the cell tower. What is the height of the cell tower? This is the cell tower. What is the height of the cell tower? First, you should understand the diagram. What is the cell tower? AB is the cell tower. Its height is H. CD is the building. Its height is not given. Let us take it as X. Distance between the building and the cell tower is 7 meters. This is given. This is 60. This is 45. See, I am extending this. A, B, C, D. I will take this point as E. E. I am taking this point as E. So this is a right angle triangle because straight line I draw no. Now, first understand the diagram. Even you can understand the diagram while writing the notes also. Write down. Let CD be the building. Let CD be the building. What is the building? CD be the building. AB be the cell tower. AB. AB be the cell tower. AB be the cell tower. CD be the building. AB be the cell tower. Now, let CD is equal to X. height of the building, which is not required, but we should take something so that using it only we find h. So let CD is equal to x. Let CD is equal to x. AB is equal to h. AB is equal to h. CD is equal to x. AB is equal to h. Now, be careful. Don't write anything. Just look at the solution. See here. Don't write. I am taking this right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. So I am taking this right angle triangle ACD. ACD. ACD right angle triangle. ACD. Don't write. ACD. Don't write in triangle ACD or from adjacent figure. See here. From adjacent figure in triangle ACD. Don't write. ACD triangle, the smaller triangle I am taking. So this is 45 degrees. And if this is 45, these two are alternate angles. If this is 45, this will be also 45. Or you can take this triangle also. If this is x, this will be x. If this is 7, this will be 7. Like that also you can take. So these two are alternate angles. So if two parallel lines are there, if this is the transversal, see here, two parallel lines. This is the transversal. This angle will be equal to this angle. You studied in the lower classes. If in two parallel lines, this is the transversal. These two are called alternate angles. So alternate angles are equal. If this is 45, this is also 45. Now, so in triangle ACD triangle, opposite by adjacent is equal to tan. See here, tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Don't write. Now theta is how much? 45. Theta is 45. What is the opposite side? X. But let us write C symbol also. After that I will write x. I am writing one more extra step so that you can understand. Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. For theta is 45. What is opposite? CD. CD. Adjacent is AC. Opposite to CD, adjacent to AC. What is opposite? X. Tan 45 1. CD is x. AC is 7. That is given. You did not wrote, no? AC is equal to 7 given. That also you write. Now don't write. So cross multiplying, x is equal to 7 we got. X is equal to 7. X is equal to 7. But we don't want x value. We want h value. H value. Now see here. What is other right angle triangle? See this triangle I took. Now I am taking this triangle. This right angle triangle. This total is not a right angle triangle. This total is not right angle. Only BDE. This is a right angle triangle. Only up to here. This one. BDE. In triangle BDE. BDE. Same tan formula I am using. Don't write. Tan theta is equal to, formula is opposite by adjacent. What is theta? Theta is 60 degrees. This triangle I am taking. 60 is equal to opposite for this triangle. For this angle, what is the opposite? BE. See the figure. BE opposite, adjacent DE. BE by DE, opposite by adjacent. Now be careful. Tan 60 root 3. What is BE? What is BE? What is this BE? This you have to tell. total is h. Total is h. If this is x, this will be also x. Opposite exactly equal. It is a rectangle. Opposite sides are equal. If this is taken as x, this will be also x. If this is x, this will be also x. If x is subtracted, what is the balance amount? Total h minus x. This is BE. BE is total h minus x. H minus x. Total h minus x. B is h minus x. Where is that x? This we took x now. So if this is x, this will be also x. If x is removed, this will be h minus x. Balance amount h minus x. H minus x. And if this is 7, its opposite will be also 7. This is 7, DE also 7. This is 7, this is also 7. So DE is equal to 7. This is 7. Draw the big figure, very big diagram. If this is 7, this will be 7. If this is x, this will be x. I am taking this triangle. Opposite is h minus x. Adjacent is 7. Cross multiply. Cross multiply. H minus x is equal to 7 root 3. See here. H minus x is equal to 7 root 3. X already 7. X is equal to 7. H minus x is 7 is equal to 7 root 3. So minus 7 that side plus 7. So h is equal to 7 into root 3 plus 1 meters. This is the height of the cell tower. We got h value. So in place of x I wrote 7. X is equal to 7. Why? Already we got from equation 1. X is equal to 7. Minus 7 that side plus 7. Very simple. 2 times I used the triangles. First I used this smaller triangle. We can use this one or this one. Anyone you can use. I took this because anyway you have to use the right angle triangle. How many right angle triangles are there? See, this is one right angle triangle. This is one right angle triangle. And this top one is a right angle triangle. Only 3 we have to use. In that 2 are enough. So first I took this. So tan 45 is equal to opposite by adjacent. See here, tan 45 is equal to CD by AC, x by 7. Tan 45 is 1, x is equal to 7 into 1, 7. We got x value. But we don't require x. We use it for other purpose, but we require h. So problem is not over. Then I am taking this right angle triangle, BDE. So in this, tan theta formula is opposite by adjacent. Theta is 60 degrees here. Opposite is BE, adjacent is DE. So BE is how much? If this is x, this is also x. Remaining is h minus x. By DE is, this is 7. This DE also 7. 7 into root 3, 7 root 3. So x value is 7. Minus 7 that side plus 7. 7 can common root 3 plus 1 meters. This is the height of the cell tower. You can write in full. Therefore, height of the cell tower is equal to 7 into root 3 plus 1. Students, 2 important problems and complicated, difficult problems today we solved. So you practice both. As I said, daily I will solve only 2 problems because only 10 problems are there. Already we completed 4. So in 3 days we are going to complete it. So no hurry, only 2 problems a day and 6 more problems. In 3 days we are going to complete the 12th chapter. So next we will start the other chapter. So you practice these problems. Immediately after the class, without seeing, you draw your own diagram. By reading the question, you try. Even if it is wrong also, you can cancel again, you can do it. Like that you have to get practice of drawing the diagram and understanding the lines. So do it. Practice it, students. And after completing this, so let us